This is the body. You can see small designs all over the body. You get an ikat blouse piece with the sari. This is the color which goes with the border. You have jari in the border, and also you get a plain blouse piece along with the sari. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel My Wardrobe. So today we'll be showing you our exclusive cotton collections. So we shall start. This is a Chettinad cotton sari with silk cotton blouse. This will be the mundani, and you will be getting a with blouse for the sari and also this extra blouse piece for the price. You can see the border. You have jari. It's a combination of orange and red color. Blouse also, you have this jari. The price will be 1010. This is the next Chettinad cotton collection. You can see small lines in the body part of the sari, and the body, you have this green color in the border with jari, and you get this chanderi piece of blouse with the sari, which is a mixture of color like green and the price of the sari will be 1095. This is the mundani of the sari, and you have a plain running blouse with the sari. This is another Chettinad cotton collection, and the price of this sari is 1095. It's a beautiful color, Vadamalli color, that's what you see. And you have an ikat blouse piece along with the sari, with which goes with the border of the sari. And this is the pallu. The running blouse piece again will be the same color, plain blouse with border. You can see small designs which is on the border of the sari. Next is black color, and this is Kanji cotton sari, and the amount will be 1400. Again, you have a chanderi blouse piece with the sari, which goes with the border of the sari. You have a temple design border. Black is always beautiful. This is the mundani. You also get a plain running blouse along with the sari. So this is another combination. Next is a beautiful color, again with peacock design border, and the price of this sari is 1670. It's a Kanji cotton sari. You have this chanderi blouse piece with the sari. This is the blouse piece which we are giving you. You can see the blue color which is in the border. See, this will look beautiful with the sari. This will be the mundani. It's a pink color. Also, again, you have a plain running blouse with the sari. But if you match this with the sari, then the look itself is different. Then next we have another Kanji cotton sari, and The price of this saree is 1680. You get a block print blouse piece with the saree. The body part is full of peacock design. And the pallu is also beautiful. This is the pallu. You have the peacock design all over the pallu. And you have a plain blouse piece which goes with the saree, running blouse. But you can see how beautiful the saree looks with this block print blouse. Next is a Kanji cotton saree which is priced at 1550. This is the border of the saree, and this is matched with this silk cotton blouse which is maroon in color. This will be the mundani, and again you have a plain blouse piece with the saree with a border. Next is Chettinad cotton saree which is priced at 1250, and this is the body. You have this small designs all over the body. This is the mundani part. You have a simple running blouse with the saree, but we are giving you this chanderi blouse piece with the saree. So in effect you are getting two blouse pieces. One is a plain one, the other one is printed one. Mangalagiri Pattu saree, maroon color, which we have matched with ikat blouse piece. And the price of this saree is 2190. The body will be plain with border. This will be the mundani. This is a mundani. You have a running blouse piece again, which is a plain one with the border. This is another Mangalagiri collection, and the amount is 2110. It's a green color, and this is the blouse which is silk cotton, plain body with this jari in the border, small temple design border, and this will be the pallu. You get a plain blouse piece with the saree. We have village cotton saree. The price will be 1810. This is the border. The other border is maroon in color. One end, the other end is green in color. Also you have this design. It has got a rich pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, and you get a plain blouse piece with the border. You can see the design and the body of the saree. Next is another village cotton collection which is priced at 1740. This is the body, where you have this small designs all over the body, and this will be the border, this is the Mundani. Peacock and elephant. Blouse piece will be plain. You have it, which is a running blouse piece. This is another village cotton collection which is priced at 1300. This is the Mundani. This is the Mundani, which has got a check design. And the body of this sari will be plain pink color. But you have the small flower designs all over the body. You can see them when you have a close look at the sari. Again, you have a running blouse piece, which will be plain pink color. Next is Narayan cotton. You can see the design, which is priced at 1330. This is the blouse piece which you get along with the sari. It is silk cotton sari. It will be, the body part will be plain with contrast border, and this will be the pallu. You will get a running blouse with the sari, which will be plain. So you can go either with a plain blouse piece or the one which we are giving you. And again, another Narayan cotton collection is maroon color, maroon with orange color. And again, you can see the border, the elephant border. And the sari cost is 1360. The price difference is because of the blouse piece which we are giving you. You have a Chanderi blouse piece for this collection. This is the blouse. You can see the design. This will be the Mundani of the sari. Next is a fancy silk sari, which is priced at 1650. This is the body. You can see small designs all over the body. And this will be the Mundani. With blouse also, this will be the blouse piece which you are getting. The running blouse piece, which has got the same design which is in the Mundani of the sari. It's a beautiful blue color. Hope you all like today's cotton collection. For orders and inquiries, you can ping me on the number which is given in the description. Thank you for watching my channel.